All right, guys, so here we are back in St. Augustine. I got my boy Evan behind me, Alejandro and Chen over there too. We're here gonna explore St. Augustine by water this time around. If you guys want to know what there is to do in St. Augustine, which side they gotta click? I think it's up here. So video will be up here for things to do in St. Augustine, where to eat. But today we're just honestly just gonna ride around St. Augustine and grab something to eat at the Conch House more than likely, because I think that's one of the few places that we can actually pull up with our jet ski and grab a bite.
I mean, we literally are just doing the intro. We've already seen 5 dolphins.
They're right there, man. They're like literally right here.
Yeah.
And the coolest part about this is that I've been to Castillo de San Marcos before, but never from the side, and it's cool to see it from the side. We're actually seeing people.
Hopefully they don't shoot any cannons at us.
No, I don't think that's the time right now. If you watch a video up here, it'll tell you the times for the cannon.
Oh, Mr.
And this is not the time right now for it.
Let you know what's going on.
I got you guys, right? But for now, you know what? Let me turn this on.
Let's try and get some dolphins and some fun stuff. There's actually a dolphin coming towards us.
All right, guys. Enjoy the video. Have fun. Come along.
Look at the dolphin. Get right up next to it.
So this right here is called the Bridge of Lions, and we are currently on the Matanzas River. That's the old town St. Augustine right there, and that's the Castillo de San Marcos right there.
I've lived here my whole life, and this is something I've always wanted to do, and at 28 years old, I'm finally getting to do it, and it's awesome. We're gonna go grab some food. We're gonna take this bend up here, and we're gonna follow the bend all the way around. We're gonna go to the Conch House, and then we're gonna check out the lighthouse on the way. All right? You gonna beach it and then push it out?
Yeah. Boom. Woo! Done. This is what I love about St. Augustine, a different side of St. Augustine you're experiencing today.
It's your own private beach right here.
Thanks to this Yamaha right here. Yamaha, you know what's up? Hook it up. Guys, we just made it to this beach, and like it's perfect. The water is perfect temperature. Endless beach, private beach for us. The guys are right there behind us. So we're gonna enjoy this spot right here, ride some jet ski, fly the drone up in the air, and then get some food. So now I have my boy Evan flying the FPV, the DJI FPV, and he's gonna watch me whip this right now. You ready for this? Let's go.
Things I love about St. Augustine, it's like your own private oasis. From Airbnb to travel to your own beach.
This was fun. Now I need to pick up Evan because he's done flying the FPV. Let's see what he thought of the flight. Come on. Yo!
Yo, hey.
What up?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, what'd you guys think of that footage? Comment below, let me know.
So I'm telling you right now, I haven't seen it yet. But I saw how close you got to me. Yeah. So I think they came out pretty good.
How close did I get?
At one point, I thought you were gonna knock me out of the jet ski.
I tried to get close. I tried to buzz your hair.
Yeah. But you can't because I have a hat on. This guy right here on the phone. Yeah. Yo, we're trying to get something to eat, bro. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, Javi, well.
Go. Woo.
Guys, St. Augustine, it's incredible. Whether you're on a jet ski on a beach or on a tourist cruise on Victory number 3, you have to come visit.
You know what? I have to agree.
Yeah.
I really love St. Augustine. One of my favorite cities in the United States. We're lucky to be here in Florida.
We are lucky.
45 minutes away from St. Augustine. I'm actually kind of thirsty, so let's go grab a beer.
Let's do it. Cheers.
And here we are, Conch House Marina Resort.
This right here is why you guys watch I'm Out Traveling. If you experience stuff like this, you would never know before.
What you got to say about that, Alejandro?
I couldn't agree more. Look at this beautiful view. Can't wait to my
It's a beautiful view, and it's also the best part of St. Augustine right here. It's the fact that you can actually do St. Augustine by foot, driving, by boat, whatever you want. There's so many different ways to experience St. Augustine. And here we are at the Conch House. I can't wait to eat.
Oh, wow. Thank you, sir.
That looks good. Gator tail right here. That's good. Never had gator tail.
Never?
No. You love. Tastes like chicken. Yeah, that's better. Oh no.
Chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll hook it up for you. I was scared trying my first one. Alright, what are you guys about to do?
We're gonna have our first oysters.
First ever steamed oyster. So you go first. You got yours
Mine's
on
on a cracker.
and I got it on the half shell, I guess is what it's called.
Half
So
shell, yeah.
alright, cheers bro. First oyster ever.
Cheers. Don't you?
I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Would I order it again? I don't think so.
What do you think?
It's different.
It's different? Alright.
It's actually better than I thought it was going to be. It's not slimy. I thought it was going to be slimy.
Yeah, same.
But it's not for me. But
Yeah.
it's still, let's call it a day. Oh, yeah,
Great.
this guy, bro.
Just great.
Hey, that's the way to be. Oh, shit. Hey, oh my God, this guy. Yo, oh.
What is this? I didn't know I was gonna order for you.
I didn't sign up for this, bro. Not part of the I'm out traveling freaking plan of action today.
Oh my God.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
That was for I'm out traveling.
That's the way to do it, guys. So that pretty much wraps up our day here in St. Augustine, the nation's oldest city. Thanks, guys, for coming around. Thanks for coming by. Appreciate it.
A pleasure. Sunset.
Sunset, and we have the moon right behind us.
Wow.
Couldn't ask for more than that. All right, we're out of here. See you guys later.
Bloopers?
I have so much bloopers already as it is.
Why'd you come back?
Hey, I have to give you your keys back.
Oh, thanks, boss.
All right, and I want my phone.
Alright, bye.
So
How about traveling?
You can get wet.
Anyways, let's go back to Marina now.
That was awkward, but alright.
Yeah, it's kind of like.
City cruise. Come on, show them. Big key.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it.
Oh my gosh. The things we do to try to get good shots for you guys. Look at this. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. One was enough. Look at this.
All for the shot.
All for the shot. I got pink shorts on, a wet t-shirt. Walk out. We're about to go eat.
You're not riding with me, not like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spray you.
I didn't say like
You
that.
said spray me like that. It's my boy.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Hey, if you got a big boat, what would you name it?
How about I'm out traveling? I don't know. What would you name if you had a big boat?
If I had a successful YouTube channel where people like, subscribe, and comment, and it funded something like a boat, then I would name my boat after that channel, I'm Out Traveling.
I'm out traveling. That's what I said.